Hold on. I don't know which one is it this one? This one? No, it's this one. Alright. Bro, this shit got 3 cameras on it. I don't know which one I should be staring at. Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and this video is being recorded after the whole process has been done. So from selling it to buying another one to taking it out to putting in my supercharger, all that's done already. I'm recording this because the intro I made for this video was really horrible. The audio was really bad because I was driving at the time and my friend was recording me, so I was like, I don't know how to explain it. It just wasn't really good. So this is the intro. This video is kind of long throughout the days. To me it's long. I haven't edited. I'm about to edit the video, but I need an intro. So this is what this is. But yeah guys, I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys at the end. Alright guys, so we got to the place. I did end up selling my supercharger already to the guy. Just talked to him, gave it to him. I gave him my throttle body, my plenum. Here's the money. I sold it for $1,000. Right now we're gonna go pick up some injectors. Maybe right now I'm still talking to the dude that's selling it to me, but we might go pick up the injectors. So this is still in the same video, the supercharger, but I'm gonna be helping him, and a couple other buddies are gonna be helping him install some headers and manifolds. You don't care if we put it in the video, right? You know, you're showing your build off to people now. Okay, bet. All right, so I'm gonna help him take off the manifold already because he's putting an LT2 manifold on top, and then we're gonna be taking out the headers from the sides and putting them up, and then we're gonna be installing some cook headers that he has right over here with high flow cats. We're gonna be installing all that into here. This is the next day after we did the supercharger. Yesterday we did it, and it took us about 4 hours to do my superchargers for the top. So we're gonna see how long it's gonna take us to do his. Now right now the time is 7:39, so it's 7:39 right now, and we'll see how long this is gonna take us to do. This is my first time doing a manifold. Really, anything I do on this channel is gonna be my first time doing it, but hopefully this goes great.
I'm looking for an 03 Cobra engine.
I have an engine.
Looking for a running 03 Cobra engine located in SoCal. Let me know, money in hand.
My blower's off. I could just
Down the 460.
and I buy another engine with another blower on top.
Yeah, you could buy. You know that engine that that Redneck Science used to put on the smoke stain? You gotta come in.
Yeah, nah, no thank you.
You see shit.
Hey, what the? Hey, we're supposed to be doing headers right now, not giving head. Oh wow. Wow. So I got the manifold off. I did this. I took this off with the throttle body. As of now, they're lifting the car up on the side so they could go under to take off the headers on that side, and then we're gonna do this side.
Down.
Wow. That was horrible.
Thank you guys for watching.
Wow, nah, that's crazy.
Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next year.
Nah, man, I gotta end it after that.
I should have done that shit at 11:59. See you guys next year.
Wow. I don't know what they're doing, but they're supposed to be jacking it up to get to these headers right here. If I'm not busy tomorrow, I'm gonna install the manifold back on for him, the LT2 one, if I'm not busy. Or he'll just find someone else to do it. Day 2. Yesterday, we did a couple things, like take out the headers. Well, he did all the header work. I only did a manifold. I'm gonna try to help him out before I go to work because I have to go back to work in a bit. But I'm gonna try to come back after. Good process so far?
Yeah, it's just sucks because you have no space. You can't really do nothing.
Without a lift, huh? Well, yeah, we're in a...
If only, if you guys do want to, you can donate me a $10,000 lift so I can have the car whenever I need to do it. It'd make my life a lot easier, honestly.
I think it'll make everyone's life having a lift easier. Wow, I said it so completely wrong.
It's just like a small loan, just 10K, and then I'll get a lift.
Yeah.
I'll even let you guys use it if you need to.
Yeah, well, they'll pull up here and everything, huh?
Yeah.
So we're gonna try to find a way to put it in the bottom because, we're gonna lift it actually. We're lifting the car up higher because it's not fitting to the bottom as smooth as we thought it was. So the headers are on. While I was at work, they were doing some cooks on there. Sheesh. And then we got the LT2 manifold on, but the car is all set. He's putting on the intake.
It was definitely a hassle to install.
You didn't even answer. I didn't even ask a question.
Oh, yeah, you asked earlier, but I didn't finish because this guy interrupted me.
All right, so how do you feel about finally being FBO, basically?
Not FBO, pal.
It's just a throttle body, but
feels good, but I don't know. I just want to wait to hear how it sounds. Shout out to KRG. He helped me put the headers on because Jose wasn't doing shit. He was over there working on a Audi S5 2013 DTC transmission. I'm a C8. Basically, with this manifold, you're a C8. So if you have a Camaro like this, 2016 to like 2022, guys do put this on your car. Just know your car does turn into a C8 basically, but you have to port it. If you don't port it, there's no point in buying it because this is basically an MSD killer with the LT5 throttle body. I do not have that because I am broke. But if you do put the LT5
why can't you get a high ram?
Huh?
Why don't you get a high ram that sticks out the hood?
Because you live in California. Basically, if I turn on the car, you go to jail. Don't live in California. If you like cars, just don't live in California.
So the next clip is probably going to be me just putting on my supercharger. So instead of this view, you're going to be seeing engine bay, basically.
Wait, can I just say one more thing?
So he's ruined my transition.
Oh, if you guys are gonna install headers on your car,
Make sure you have a lift.
no, not you don't need a $10,000 lift, really. Anything they explain on YouTube, then you know that they don't go close up with it. So you're gonna be fucking running into shit that that they don't even explain. Cause there was a bunch of stuff that I had to do that nobody explained in order to get the headers on.
Dude, my phone is shaky because it's really cold out right now. It's like 40 degrees. How cold is it? How cold is it?
How your line should.
How cold is it? Let me see. 49. You see, it's on a 40. Is it not? So I lied. I did not lie, pal. Hey guys, welcome back to another.
Hi guys, pretty excited.
Excited, guys.
Just slow as funny.
You know whoever you guys want to race because you guys are slow as fuck.
Bro, your fucking exhaust got stomped down by Thanos, bro. What the fuck is that? Thanos.
Yeah.
Check him out. Check him out. Apple Music, Grupo Nuevo,
Spotify,
Convoy.
Amazon Music, YouTube, anything.
Charges a lot, just to let you know.
Charges $500 an hour, just to let you know. And you have to put a deposit of $200, not including the $500 for.
It's worth it.
come.
Music's a luxury.
The exhaust is the last part we need to do.
Just to update you guys, I just got back from work. I know I said I was supposed to, next clip was going to be my car, but I came back because he says he's almost done. He's just doing the final part with just welding. After that, he should be done. We're going to see if it's going to start up for a bit, just to see if everything's good. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Fully done. All the O2 sensors are connected. You excited? You excited? I'm excited.
No, fuck.
That's crazy.
Shut it.
That's I'm excited to see this car running. I don't know about you though. Finally, FBO after having the parts for like 5 months. Right, here. We turned it on already. Turn it on again from a video though. Sounds really
Hey,
nice.
that started up good, huh?
Yeah.
Like, you have no issue or nothing?
No. Freaking. The idle isn't too loud. Damn, bro. Look. Oh, that's smoke. It's funny up way. It is currently 6:23. Today's the day I'm gonna go pick up the new supercharger. Morning.
What's going on? Good morning.
That Cali gas finally going down. It takes a liter, so I'm lucky that's $3.99 right now. This was almost $5. I want to say I used to fill up with $100, which was insane for this. It's just a V6, bro. Like, what the fuck? Ooh, look at that sunrise over there. It looks beautiful. But yeah, I'm like the only one here right now. Damn, bro. Never mind, bro. It's $49. It's still expensive. Oh my god, we should just walked over there, bro. We are an hour away. The view over here is way more amazing, I want to say. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna vlog because I'm a nervous person. I'm not nervous. It's shy. Shy is the word. I'm a shy person. Like, vlogging wise. Like, I don't want to bring out camera and be like, yo, what up? So we just got home. These are all the parts. Here are the Simon Decas, throttle body, and the inlet. Supercharger I just got. I'm gonna first put in the manifold in here. Also, one thing I forgot to say is that I accidentally gave my IAC, my idle air control away on the last one when I sold it. So I ordered a new one, so that one should be coming in tomorrow. I'm gonna start on this already. So the supercharger is back on. We're bolting on everything. But as you can see, this bolt is snapped because of this right here. So now I'm trying to take this one out, which is kind of hard. And I'm gonna go to Ace and see if I could get another one exactly like it. And after that should be done. It is the next day, and probably the last clip you saw was the stripped bolt, but I did end up getting it fixed already. After that, it was already nighttime, so I didn't want to keep working on it at night. So it is finally done. So I'm finally done putting everything back together. All this is going in. The only thing is that plug isn't really want to go in, but so I'm gonna give it a start up. Hopefully nothing blows up. So I'm about to start up the car, and if the car does start, then everything should be good. So that I'm hoping for that. If not, then it's gonna blow. This is the first startup since Sunday. Sunday was the last day I drove it because I had to take out the supercharger. But I'm actually really nervous right now to start it up. Alright guys, so the little noise whisk was from this one. I don't know if the air is going through here or maybe through here. I'm not too sure, so I'm gonna check that out and fix it because all this sounds pretty good for right now. So it wasn't really the bolt or anything. All I had to do was switch out the math right here because I bought a new one, which is this one right here, which is supposed to allow more air to be going in. I'm guessing that's what was making that noise, that big air noise. So I took that out and I put back the old one that I had, and it seems to be working good. Nothing really seems to be struggling. I know the other one was way more louder, but I'm just letting the car run for a bit. Hopefully it doesn't die down on me. It sounded like it was about to, but this is it. It's finally done. I'm done with this. If anything else happened, I'm gonna update you guys on it, but this is gonna be the end of the video already. This took me about 4 days to do. You know, for someone that's barely doing this for the first time, I think that was decent. I think it should have been in shorter time though, but no, I was doing everything very slow, the process, and how to go get a lot of things just for this build. So that's gonna end the video. Like I said, I'll see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys did enjoy. There you guys. Peace.